Future of Binance.
Hello and welcome to our video on the future of Binance trading. In this video, we'll be exploring the current state of Binance, the challenges it faces, and the potential opportunities for growth and innovation in the years to come. The current state of Binance. Binance has grown tremendously since its founding in 2017. As the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, Binance has become a go-to platform for traders and investors around the world. The company has expanded its offerings to include a range of trading pairs, advanced trading tools, and even its own cryptocurrency, Binance Coin, BNB. However, Binance has faced some challenges in recent years. In 2021, the exchange came under scrutiny from regulators in several countries, including the United States and the United Kingdom. Binance has since scaled back its operations in certain regions to comply with local regulations.
Part 2. The challenges ahead.
As Binance looks to the future, there are several challenges it will need to overcome. One of the biggest challenges is regulatory compliance. As cryptocurrency becomes more mainstream, governments around the world are taking a closer look at the industry and implementing new regulations to protect consumers and prevent illicit activities like money laundering. Binance will need to continue to adapt to these changing regulatory environments, ensuring that it remains compliant with local laws while still offering a seamless trading experience for its users. Another challenge for Binance is competition. As the cryptocurrency industry continues to grow, new exchanges are popping up all the time, offering new features and services that compete directly with Binance. To stay ahead of the game, Binance will need to continue to innovate and differentiate itself from its competitors. Part 3. The future of Binance trading. Despite the challenges ahead, there is still a lot of potential for Binance trading in the future. One area of growth is in the adoption of cryptocurrency by mainstream investors. As more institutional investors enter the space, there will be a growing demand for secure, reliable trading platforms like Binance. Binance is also well positioned to take advantage of the growing popularity of decentralized finance, DeFi. As the DeFi ecosystem continues to expand, there will be a growing need for decentralized exchanges, DEXs, that offer a more transparent and secure trading experience. Binance has already made moves in this direction, launching its own DEX, Binance DEX, in 2019. Another area of potential growth for Binance is in the adoption of new technologies like blockchain and artificial intelligence, AI. Binance has already made significant investments in these areas, with the launch of its own blockchain, Binance Chain, and the integration of AI-powered trading tools like Binance Trading Bot. In conclusion, the future of Binance trading is bright, but it will require the company to continue to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions. With its strong brand, loyal user base, and commitment to technology and innovation, Binance is well positioned to remain a major player in the cryptocurrency industry for years to come.
Thank you for watching our video on the future of Binance trading.
If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and we'll do our best to respond. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.